Hey, what's up, Organic Cali family? This is Scott Conrad here with another episode coming at you. I was gonna do a falafel ball episode, then a falafel sandwich episode, but guess what? When I was shooting the episode, the sound wasn't on, so it all went to waste. They were such delicious falafel balls and sandwiches. I'm so sad that you couldn't experience those yet, but they're coming at you when I get back from my vacation to Texas, gonna visit my family. My grandpa's turning 100 years old. What? And my brother just had a son, first male body human in the Conrad family since me like 33 years ago, and then gonna do a little early Thanksgiving. So it's gonna be a good time in Texas, but I wanted to drop at least one episode because I'm gonna be gone for 5 days. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a quick tzatziki sauce. It's a Mediterranean yogurt sauce which you can put on toasted pita bread, French fries, dip carrots in it, mix it with hummus. This stuff is so delicious, and I'm gonna show you how to make the most healthy organic version ever. I just freestyled this stuff up. I got some Chobani non-fat plain Greek yogurt. But basically you're gonna have your Greek yogurt, non-fat, unflavored, not vanilla or anything like that. By itself, doesn't taste so good, but when you throw some cucumbers in there, diced, garlic stuff, distilled white vinegar, a little dill, it gets fire real fast. So let's get underway. We're gonna whip this up real fast, real nice. Literally, you can make this tzatziki sauce in less than 3 minutes if you had to. I could do it in 1 minute if my life was on the line, but I'm just saying, not too shabby. And then once the sauce is done, as long as it's capped in the fridge, it'll last, you know, a couple weeks, something like that. So let's get to it, guys. Yeah! Taste test. So fire. So look how easy that was. Literally 1-2 minutes, done deal. So while I throw some pita bread in the pan with a little olive oil, crisp it up nicely to dip in my new tzatziki. Have a little quick snack. Hit it with some olive oil real quick. Slap it down. Alright, so while that's frying up, I'm just gonna talk a little bit about my weekend. My awesome, amazing dear friend Gellert Hart of Amethyst State Biodynamic Organic Winery invited me up to LA this weekend for a raw natural wine expo. It was amazing. I got to taste wines from all around the world. They were natural, mostly organic, a lot of biodynamic farming. My friend's family's brand, Amethyst State, which is in Templeton, California, pretty much makes the best wine I've ever had. And if you don't know about biodynamic farming, look it up. It's next level. It's like organic on steroids times 10 with a cosmic lunar charge. So Amethyst State, they make, I think, 19 varietals of wine. And then he gave me this extra virgin olive oil too. Dry farmed, biodynamic, deliciousness. I'm so thankful for my awesome friends that are farming in these amazing ways, being sustainable and really concentrating on quality. Oh man. I usually drink like whatever's on sale at CVS, so I'm pretty grateful for this delicious Cabernet Sauvignon Rosé. I've never even heard of a Cab Sauv Rosé before this one, but it's next level. I'm gonna flip the pita. That pita bread is toasting up nicely. There's so many ways to do pita. Is to throw a little olive oil in there, put it on high, flip it after about 1 minute on each side, then cut it up, throw hummus on it, this fire tzatziki that we just made. Hot tamale, woo, woo! So let's taste this out with the pita bread. So stoked. Throw a little hummus on there, a little zeke. When I was at the store the other day, they were selling like 6 ounces of tzatziki for like $6. This yogurt, organic, 99 cents. I already had the spices and the vinegar. So, 99 cents. Really? Oh yeah, I forgot to show you my little makeshift sign, Organic Alley. I'm gonna make a fancier one soon, maybe out of a beech wood piece and burn some letters into it. I don't know. Keep it fresh, family. I love you, and I'll see you next time. You!